Hi, welcome to this video in the it's the final one of the series in the Repco Navigator Pro integrations. Now, this one is actually about the setup. So we've actually done probably what you got to do first, but we're going to show you last. Now, if we go into integrations on the menu, you'll see in automotive integrations, there is Repco, and this is the integration with Navigator Pro. So what we can do here is you need to choose your supplier. So you will have your supplier in the system. So if we type in Repco, and this was the Repco supplier that we chose, or you can go and create one, and that's the actual supplier that you've got in your system. You would then put in the details of all of your information in relation to your Navigator Pro that you have for your actual Navigator Pro installation. So that's the site code, your account number, things like your username and password, and you've got to confirm the password. So all that sort of stuff's pretty straightforward. Now, there's a really cool part of this, which is this auto download invoices. If you turn this on, what will happen is when Repco send an invoice, you don't have to type it in. It'll automatically come into workshop software. So there's no typing of invoices that just happens automatically. You don't even need to do a thing. It just happens. Now, to turn this on, there is a couple of steps you need to do. First of all, I want you to go into the help guides. So if you go on the question mark up the top right and go help guide and resources, that will open up all of our help guides. In here, what I want you to do is search for Repco invoices. Okay, so if you do, and the thing comes up with Repco automatic invoices, and in here it explains to you to go into integrations and Repco, and it says click auto download invoices onto yes. But what you also need to do is you need to let Repco know that you've turned these on. So they need to put it on in their system to say, yes, I want to be able to go and get these particular invoices directly done. So you need to send an invoice to this, an email to this email address, put in the subject, and then all the body needs to be this information here. So your Repco account number, your company name, and your contact details. Pretty straightforward, very easy to do, but just make sure you take out that step. So that, if I just come back into workshop software again now, that auto download invoices is super cool. So it will save you a truckload of time. So just make that happen, and I highly, highly recommend that. That is super important. So that's it for the Repco integration and the videos. Some 3 very quick videos there, but it gives you a really great insight into how the Repco integration works.